Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out some very logical questions quite straightforward. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but definitely a very nice move, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And if that would be if the price can stay above 53 cents. With that being said, though, I'm not saying that if the price falls below 53, that means this entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to somehow stay up above 53 cents, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being that's basically what the story is telling us. So yeah, staying above 53 is great, but big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into next week? Pretty straightforward right now, nothing fancy or complicated behind it other than the fact of the party stopped today right there at 55 cents multiple times. So very clearly that's where the sellers finally stepped in and kind of drew a line. So that'll be the initial level there. And just because this one has shown some potential to move in the past, I do want to get one more level mapped out here. And the next key overall level of resistance, if 55 can be broken, going to be right up there around the 57-cent mark. So all in all, though, any way you look at it, great movement today, great volume, and not just a question of can the price start to build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.